A developer finishes a feature and marks it done. The ticket moves to QA, a tester finds gaps, missing edge cases, incomplete error handling, accessibility issues. The ticket reopens. The developer fixes the gap. It removes to QA again. More issues surface. The cycle repeats. This is not a quality problem. It's a clarity problem. Done means different things to different people. Today, I'm walking through how to create a definition of done that everyone agrees on before work starts. The answer is not a universal checklist. It's a clear standard by work type. Let's break it down. Work reopens because expectations are unclear. A developer believes a feature is complete. A product manager disagrees. A QA tester finds missing requirements. A designer spots inconsistencies. Everyone has a different bar for done. This creates 3 breakdowns across the 3E framework. Audience experience suffers because bugs ship to production. Features launch incomplete. Users encounter errors that should have been caught. Creator experience suffers because trust drops. Content tools get marked done but do not work as expected. Publishing workflows break. Creators lose confidence in delivery. Developer experience suffers because rework becomes routine. Work gets marked complete, then reopen. Engineers fix the same issues 3 times. Momentum stalls. The phase almost done becomes a running joke. But the cost is real. Churn increases, timeline slips, quality drops. This happens because teams do not define done by work type. A bug fix has different quality requirements than a new feature. A content tool has different standards than a customer-facing page. Most teams use one generic definition for everything, or no definition at all. Without clarity, people make assumptions. A developer assumes unit tests are enough. A product manager expects integration tests. A designer expects pixel-perfect implementation. These gaps only surface after the work is marked complete. The result is predictable. Work reopens. Teams debate what should have been included. Rework begins. The fix is defining done by work type, embedding it into tickets and pull requests, and reviewing reopened work monthly. Step 1. Define done by work type. Not all work is the same. Your definition of done should reflect that. Start by categorizing your work into types. Common categories include bug fixes, new features, content tools and workflows, performance improvements, infrastructure changes. For each type, define what done means. For bug fixes, done might mean root cause identified, fix implemented and tested, regression test added, verified in staging, release note updated. For features, done might mean acceptance met, unit and integration tests written, accessibility checked, responsiveness on mobile, error state handled, documentation updated. For content tools, done might mean creator workflow tested end-to-end, permissions validated, preview mode worked, publishing tested and staging, creator training material updated. Your definition should be specific enough to prevent ambiguity, but simple enough to follow consistently. Document the standards, make them visible, reference them in planning. Step 2, bake it into tickets and pull requests. A definition of done only works if people see it when they need it. Add a checklist to every ticket based on work type. When a developer opens a pull request, include the relevant definition of done in the template. For a bug fix PR, the template might include root cause documented, regression test edit, tested in staging, release notes updated. For feature PRs, the template might include acceptance criteria met, unit test passed, accessibility validated, mobile responsive, error states handled. This removes guesswork. The developer knows what complete means before starting work. Reviewers know what to check before improving. Step 3, review reopened work monthly. Even with clear definitions, some work will reopen. This is useful data. Once a month, review tickets that reopened. Ask, why did it reopen? Was the definition of done unclear? Was a step skipped? Did requirements change mid-work? Look for patterns. If accessibility issues cause frequent rework, add accessibility checks earlier in the process. If edge cases get missed, make your acceptance criteria standards stronger. Treat reopened tickets as feedback on your definition of done. Refine it over time. Step 4, make it a team agreement. A definition of done only works if the team agrees to it. Do not indicate standards from the top down. Collaborate with developers, designers, product managers, and QA. Ask, what does done mean to you for this type of work? Build consensus. Document it. Revisit it quarterly. When everyone helps create the standard, everyone follows it. You know the system is working when you see two changes. Reopen work decreases. Tickets stay closed. Features ship complete the first time. QA churn decreases. Fewer rounds of back and forth. Testing moves faster because work arrives ready. Developers spend time building instead of reworking. Product managers trust delivery. Users see higher quality. The system supports clarity instead of creating confusion. Once your definition of done is clear, the next challenge is triaging performance issues. Most teams know core web vitals matter. They see the metrics. They want to improve, but they do not know where to start. The data feels overwhelming. Priorities are unclear. I'll cover a practical triage process for core web vitals in the next episode. Surprise rework is preventable. Define done by work type, bake it into tickets and pull requests. Review reopen work monthly. It aligns audience, creator, and developer experience by setting clear expectations and reducing churn. If work keeps reopening on your team, start here. If you like the content, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.